Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math question with us. This question is from the topic of percents. I strongly suggest you to go on our channel to look for the playlist section. You can find the percents playlist that you can practice further if you like, because there are a lot of digital SAT math similar questions where you can practice more to get better. So let's solve this question together. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers z is 25% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 210, what is the value of z? A is 90, B is 100, C is 120, and D is given as 150. So we're talking about three numbers. The third one is z. Others I would like to call it x and y. So the sum is 210 as given. Other part of the problem is this section is important to understand. They're saying that z is the sum of the other two numbers. There is something going on with the x plus y. They're saying that 25% less. One whole in percentages is 1. 100% is equal to 1. Taking away 0.25, because 25% means 0.25, that gives us 0.75. so this means that if it is 25% less, you will multiply this 0.75 the sum of the other twos to make it equal to z. This is how you set up the equation. To continue, I will use a different color. So we will just distribute this 0.75 into parentheses. Z will be equal to 0.75x plus 0.75y. So the other one is, so we found the value of z in terms of x and y. So instead of this z, we will just write the value with that we found. Let's rewrite that. 0.75x plus 0.75y plus x and y is equal to 210. So these are like terms, and the y is also like terms. 0.75 plus x, 1x, that gives us 1.75x plus 1.75 y is equal to 210. So 1.75 is in common in here, so we can just take in parentheses of 1.75. This equals to 210. Then we will divide both sides by 1.75. So in digital SAT math, you will be allowed to use your calculator. You can go ahead and use your calculator to find the value of this. So x plus y is equals to 120. So I'm gonna change the color here. Go back to original equation. Z plus x plus y was given as 210, and we just found the value of x plus y as 120. So we will take away that from the first equation. These cancels each other out. The z will be equal to 90. So our final answer is 90. So the first number is 90, which is z. The correct choice is A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.